Hello everyone, this is Max from Shenzhen Kowon. Are you still worried about your batteries will be damaged after you got them? Today we're gonna talk about our package for the module battery pack. The cartons that we use are with 5 layers. Put a foam at the bottom of the carton, then put the battery inside with a protective foam on 4 sides. Then cover the surface with the foam at the end. Seal the carton. Maybe you think package is finished? Not yet. It is worth mentioning that after all the cartons are sealed, they must be stacked together and a wooden frame will be placed on the outside. In this way, there will be no crushing damage during transportation. If without wooden frame, like the other supplier sent to you, the package that you got will be like this, and this. So if you use your own shipping agent in China, wooden frame is a must. Please inform them before make the shipment. Any other questions about our battery and package, please contact us.